Hi, my name is Garcia. I'm work in the water industry. I've been there 13 years in the water industry, so I'm able to work with a lot of chemical pumps here on Camp Pendleton. And we just wanted to explain the benefits of having the MD-3. First off, the main issue was the cost of the repair kits for the old diaphragm kits. Ever since we've installed them, it's been about a year, Phil?
Yep.
About a year. We haven't had any issues with them. And the dual diaphragm allows us to have the same effect as a peristaltic pump. So it's constantly feeding the chemical, so it's really easy for us to have accurate dosing.
With some of our old pumps, we had a lot of issues with vapor lock, having to off-gas our lines a lot, particularly with hypochlorite. They tend to build up gas in the hot days, and we'd have to really off-gas them a lot, or else we could get a vapor lock and freeze up the pump.
I mean, to be honest, the pumps are basically effortless. We program them and they just run and they do their thing. Since we've had them for a year, we have had no problems with the dual diaphragms. So it's been a lot less stress on us, for sure.